How to use Autotutor for teachers. There are 6 steps for this. We will go through them in turn. 1. Set up your students. Just log on to your teacher account and then use the Manage Students tab to enroll your students and to manage their accounts. 2. Explore the site. You need to see what is available for you to use. This includes the home page showing student usage, results page with student history, solutions and rankings, formula sheets available for each question, information section with formula sheets, notes, videos, help files and frequently asked questions. 3. Choose the appropriate student level. Use the questions page to find the appropriate level for each of your students. An example order for Australia goes Year 7, Year 9, Skills Level 1, Skills Level 2, and BECE mathematical methods. For India, an example order would be Year 7 India, Year 9 India, Skills Level 1, Skills Level 2, Year 10 India, and Year 12 India. 4. Map out a path for your students. This will depend on the level of your students and the final exams they're aiming at. An Australian example would be Year 9, relevant skills at Level 1 and Level 2, and then the further maths example with core and selected options. For India, this could be Year 9, relevant skills at Level 1, Year 9 India, relevant skills at Level 2, and then Year 10 India and Year 12 India. 5. Set regular quiz practice tests. For each student, set regular quizzes until you are satisfied with their results. For example, a student might score at least 90% for 3 consecutive attempts and then move on to the next topic or level. The important thing is to steadily learn from the solutions and other feedback provided so that there is continual improvement. Encourage the student to draw on other resources as needed, such as formula sheets, videos, textbooks, internet, and yourself. 6. Review progress and adjust the plan for each student as needed. Autotutor can help with many secondary school maths syllabuses as well as physics syllabuses. The results will improve in relation to each student's efforts. If you have suggestions for us or notice a problem, please just let us know. Thank you.